bit of an idea looking at this whole thing here. This is a control panel for SEM, scanning electron microscope, which no longer exists. It operates this power supply here to drive certain elements. Now I'm thinking of using this as a control panel. Modification. I'd have to probably could adapt this with sheets of aluminium, 1/8 of an inch thick, to mount vintage gauges and variacs. Those other controls, what's in this power supply, will be interesting to observe it and take it apart maybe. I have this option up here too. I think I got my control panel area figured out. Remove a lot of this junk here. Basically use this. How deep is it? Yeah, getting ideas. That's a possibility. And this thing, I could strip it all down and use useful components if there's any in this commercial stuff. I don't know. It could be. Sometimes there are certain things that are quite useful. I already took that apart, which was just simply a TV set on the side here. Saved some parts. Again, some of the commercial parts are useful. It's a good solid box, so to speak, and just remove this junk here and here and mount the gauges and control stuff on it, and maybe some transformers inside of it. No, I don't know, just an idea. That's thinking. Those pieces could go in there too. Don't know, we'll see. Big Alright, oh well. This is all kind of new stuff that came in here. It's getting there. Gonna take a while yet, and more goodies. Power supplies like this are really good, and transmitters. That's these audio amps or sonar amplifiers. Got a good Lavoie spectrum analyzer. Vintage, but good for what I need. Yeah, it's slowly getting there. Alrighty, well. One piece per day. These are some of the gauges. I don't know, I have to think about it with that. No, it's the back of the control panel. Oh well, okie dokie.